I'm slow. Hi guys, hi Jerry, hello everybody, how you guys doing? I just came to say hi. I am currently preparing for my test. I'm preparing for my exam for tomorrow. So I'm writing at 8. Imagine I'm writing at 8, 8:30. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi. I'm studying at UJ, University of Johannesburg. I won't be here for too long because I have to focus on the books. Hi Lucky, how's your, today's Wednesday, how's your Wednesday nights? So hey, water, drink water. Hi Tyre, Johnny. Hi Gabitwe, hi Simpiwe. Are you the one selling my tunes by Storky? Yes, it's me. Yes. I'm joking. What's that? I'm good. Nami ngiyaphila. Hi Sinalo. Bayezo rooms. Hey, ngafuthi bayeza. Angeke manje kushubile mfana. Bayafunda. We are writing. Ngeke manje unomsindo. Hi Malonde. Hey, yabona nje guys, ngicela ningi-entertain ngoba ngine-stress manje ngiyabhala kusasa, so nje ngicela ningi-entertain ni yabo. I know I should be the one doing that, but manje imina engibingxaki because I'm writing tomorrow. So Oshimiria, inkinga like I started studying like earlier than I usually would, so manje I kind of like know my work, yabo, so I have time in a way. Otherwise, if I was procrastinating a lot, ngabe manje ngiyafunda, ngabe it's bad, ngabe ngikhona active on TikTok, but I sort of like know my work. Hey, ngiyabona le exam sengishow ama-flames. Ngoba sengikhuluma kanje, oh Lord help me. Ngizopasa ne? Ngizopasa. Already, I think also another thing that's making me relaxed, which is not good, is the fact that my thingy, what do you call this? My semester mark is above 80. No, it's actually 79. So I think that's another thing that's making me relaxed. But yes, I pass on this side. Balance, beauty, and brains. Thank you so much, Sinalo. I believe I will pass. Hey, it's not passing that's an issue, it's the marks that I'm going to get. So thank you so much. Siculele suma. Ngisine after 5 minutes. Thank you so much, Tando. Thank you, 80. Oh man. Oh guys, ngiyabonga. Hi, Mafundla. Hi, Amhilang. Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga guys. Hey. Yes, nje ngizowacabanga lama all the best kusasa masengibhala. But how what's all the best? Bangishama good wishes. I'll keep that in mind. Isingisi sin hala. I don't understand. Thank you so much. Oh, my nails. It is so sad, right? Which color should I do next? Thank you so much. Can you be serious for 2 seconds? What do you mean I should be serious for 2 seconds? Am I never serious? Is that what you're saying? Thank you for the follow. Oshimiri atata, umberi hiriki, oshimiri atata. Awuseli nje Moses sontweni. No, why Moses angiseli. If ufika ngathi ngizozela, if ngilalele late, then I rather not go than for me to like lose focus and fall asleep. Hi Lily, good afternoon, it's Handora. Also, if you have low iron, I have a plug for you. This, if you have low iron, or sometimes like when you feel like, because I think with me, having like fatigue, feeling tired in general, so I got these. So this is super antioxidants, and then this is iron plus high strength. Another reason why I got them is because I get like a lot of sleep paralysis, and I thought they were going to help, and my mother recommended them, so it was a colleague from work. So now I'm still getting a bit of sleep paralysis, and they're not nice. Like, they're not nice, and especially if I'm going to sleep like after hours. So let's say maybe around, like, if I'm going to take a nap, let's say after 11 a.m. or even 10, okay, no, 11, and then I'll start getting them. Yeah, me. Let me pull it. Okay. Not bad. We got this under control. My biggest fear is that ngifunde something and then on the exam bakhiphe enye ngaluleka make ngangena vele shoots angazi, I don't know. Am I Nigerian? No, I'm not Nigerian. yabo after mengiqeda with this part ngizosukuma ngifunde ngiwalkela in this small room. Yeah, guys, I saw it because angifuni isiphithi ngibekudala nje asijoli siyagithi makumnandi ipinki makumnandi ipinki. Oh yeah, I decided what I'm thinking now with manje I'm going live about these days and I'm going live, but this is probably the last month because I'm thinking of taking a social media break I'll try. So from November, December, January, 3 months, like take a social media break for like 3 months. From where? Where? I know Katleho, but not sure about the surname. Anyamalali. How Anyamalali ngiyaposta nje. If you can check with December, actually posting. Yes, I know you guys are going to miss me. I'm very much missable. Oh no. Oh yeah. Hey, I hardly do lives. Ngiyabonga. Okay, I pull up, hop on an after bar. Hey, good 19. We happy this December. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Hi, Shamulo. Okay, I pull up, hop on an after bar. Thank you so much. Good night. Good night, the boy. We're chilling with the boy. God, what was that intro? What it do? And the boy. Okay. So clarify and make sure that you know exactly who is representative something. Make sure it's accurately. Hi, Skylar. How are you, Skylar? Hi, Lee Shelly. How are ya? Are you Xhosa, Zulu, or Swati? I'm Xhosa. I'm joking, I'm Zulu. I never shared an invite, but okay. I'm Zulu. Okay. Hi, Kat. Thank you for sharing my live. I don't know who you're sharing it with. Abel. I don't know who you're sharing it with. Jabulo, 3 minutes. Hi, sunshine. How are you? I have my perfect answers. Yo, yabona amagama lawo amakhulu. Hayi cha. Bombastic words. Hi, Lamar. Kendrick Lam. All back. Hello. I realized that I can actually do something with my limbs. And I took a video. Yeah, I'm so random. I realized that I can do something. It was just so weird because I always have the mirror in front of me. So I had the mirror here. And then, when you're studying, you end up doing things that you're not supposed to be doing. So I'm looking at myself and then I do something on my lips. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I can do this. This is so funny. And then I laugh. Hi, Cody. Who styled your hair? Rosie hairstyles. I even moved my mirror. Because I was so focused on looking at myself, doing like funny faces, and I just took the mirror and threw it on top of the bed because it was disturbing me. Do you guys want me to show you what I can do with my lips? How, guys, I was waiting for you to ask me. I was waiting for you guys to say, what can you do? Show us. And you guys are just not doing that. Like, why? I'm waiting for you to ask me and then I'll do it. Hi, Doro. I'm good, and how are you? I don't have a child. Yeah, guys, please, the rest of you guys must also ask me. Please ask me. Say show us, and then I'll show you guys what I can do. Yes, more people must ask me. I'm so funny. Guys, please ask me. I'm not married. Hey, Bo. What's up with these questions? I'm not married. I don't have a child. Okay. Completeness of questions. sections, comprehensiveness, and I'm good. I wanted to ask you about the fashion brace. These are not fashion braces, they're like proper braces if you want to fix your teeth. If you want to fix your teeth. Okay, let me show you. Ow, I'm old. Okay, let me show you guys. I should be studying. Okay, wait, I'll do it. This is gonna be weird, guys. Please don't judge me, and please don't screen record. I'm saying Nina. The thing is, okay, let me show you. No, guys, I'm scared to show you. This is embarrassing. Imagine there's some, but so many times is on time with my goofiness and craziness. How much are you paying? Let me switch to my data. I'm not paying per month. Pay cash. But I posted like price plans on my feed. Oh, okay, let me show you guys. Okay. Okay, wait. Okay, I'll show you. I'm very old. Okay, I can do this. Let me show you. Who's Mhlongo? What did Mhlongo say? Okay, let me show you guys. Okay. I'll show you. Yo, I should be starting home math. Okay. Okay, I'll show you guys. I'm imagining this, what I was doing and looking myself in the mirror. I even took a video. I'll show you, ne? Okay, let me show you. I think I'm scared because this thing is weird. Okay, so let me show you what I like doing. What I used to like doing when I got my braces. I would do this. Huh? Okay. Okay, let me show you guys. Yo, umuntu ongangena la angayitshela ukuthi I'm high or something. Okay, let me show you. Okay. Okay, let me show you again. I'm serious. Please don't screen record or screenshot this. Okay. Okay. I am scared, I'm shy. Okay, it's this. Let me show you. I'm such an idiot. No. Have you ever seen it when you discover? Have you ever seen those thingy TikToks when someone would do something and they were like, how did they discover whether they can do this? Now it's the same. I was like, hey bo, I just discovered that I can actually do this. Like what? Okay, let me show you for real. Okay. So I was looking at myself in the mirror while studying, and then I was just like playing with my lips. I like playing with my lips, so I did this. you know. So I can do this. I can do this with my lips. I bet you guys can't do that. I'm such an idiot. Oh my gosh. Yes. Please show us your talent. Hlekani phela how sengiyenzile laugh ke and applaud me. No, Ashim, I have to go. 9:37. Hlekani nje bandla. Yeah. Thank you for laughing. Please now I won't feel like weird. Thank you for the ice cream. No, I'm no longer staying in Don Fontaine. Who's asking me? Who's calling my? Ish, yeah, the thing of sleeping late and waking up late, it's not good. Because now I want to sleep, but I won't be able to sleep because that's why I'm live. Hey guys, actually ngihlekise mina. Meaning ngihlekisile. So now I feel better. I can conquer this exam. I used to see you and Bengisa Bulisa. Oh wow. I'm very free-spirited and down to earth. How am I? Now I plug your trip, please. I'm not having plug. Get gatekeeper. Jangan apa gatekeeper my styling gel. Yo, I wena uyi sekebekwa. What's that? I don't understand. What's this? Hey guys, flying hand manch, back to books, back to education. Why do you think it's Let me guess, uzosintshontsha inhliziyo yakho. Why Thanksgiving? Not Thanksgiving. Definitely so I always like, thank you so much, Olile and Kize. If brings us is Terrazilla. Thank you for the rose. ungimele ukuthi kube njani awuthi ngisacram multitask bunzima kakhulu izithazo zami kamafufu. Gotcha. Noted. I wanna go home. Dang it. Hey. Next section. Okay. How? Yabo mase kushawa 10 ngizobeka ifone revise everything bese ngiyalala. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for liking. Thank you for the follow. Thank you. Amanda. Ay shame Amanda nixoxele ngoba ngibona ngi-live kanje like kade ngiprepare for this exam like sengifuna ukubhala manje nje uma ngangibuza ngakhona ukuphendula yonke into. And we will break my defense. Please. Yo, ngicabanga ukuthi nje vele ngishintshwe iscope or whatever. But as much as lento ngiyifundile hey nini ngiqalile ukufunda and izolo bengifunde ngathi ngiyabhala today. We will find out corn. But it's 10 ngiyahamba. Hi manual thrifts. Actually ngeke 10 usekudeni yo 10 to Thank you, Zoller. Hey guys, bye bye.